Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you a Halloween shelf sitter that I made. From Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these chalkboards that's like a house, but it's flat. The self-standing home sign. One of the paint-it-yourself ghost ornaments. I already pre-filled it with some wood filler, but it's totally not necessary. You'll need some paint since mine is candy corn themed. It's going to be orange, yellow, and white. And from my stash, I used a small piece of cheesecloth. I'm not sure if Dollar Tree sells that or not. First, I took some painter's tape and I covered up the inside so that I could give the wood trim 2 coats of the orange paint. Then I took some more painter's tape and I taped off the center horizontally of the home sign. And I gave the top portion a coat of white paint. While I had my white paint out, I painted my ghost. And by the time I was done painting, the home sign was dried, so I could touch the home portion, pick it upside down, and I painted the bottom of the sign yellow. Then I had to wait patiently for it to dry because I had to take the tape off and retape it, the top and the bottom, so that I could paint the center orange. Then it was time to construct my ghost. So using a circle punch, I punched out a circle big enough to cover the eyes and the mouth, and I glued that to the back side of the ghost. Then I cut a piece of the cheesecloth and put a layer of Mod Podge down on the ghost back and front, laid the cheesecloth on the top, and once it was dried, I trimmed it close to the bottom. Next, I used my Cricut and some Dollar Tree vinyl, and I cut out the word Home Sweet. I also took the back of my paintbrush and used that to make some dots on the orange border of my frame. I also painted a small Jenga block black, and again, with my Cricut, cut out the word Haunted and put it on. Then I just put it all together using some wood glue, and I added a ribbon bow to the top of the ghost, and my project was complete. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.